Hi, I'm Sean, and I'm going to teach you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube beginner's method. First, I'm going to teach you how to solve the white face and having the corners onto their correct spot. Next, I'm going to teach you how to put all the corners onto their correct spot. And finally, finishing the whole cube. So first, we're going to mix it up randomly. Okay, I think that's mixed up enough. Then you're gonna find a corner to start off with. I'm gonna start off with this corner because it's the corner with my sticker on it. Then you find a random piece with the white on it. You put it over on top of the spot where it's supposed to go because this side has blue, this side has blue. So we're gonna put this beside this blue. Then we're going to do this. We're going to repeat that until this white is facing down. Next, we're going to find another corner, put it on top of the spot where it's supposed to go, and then do the same thing until the white is facing down. Next, we're going to find the last piece, put it on top of the spot where it's supposed to go. Do the same thing until the white is facing down. Now that we have that done, we're going to put the corners onto their correct spot. We're going to find a corner that's already on its correct spot. Now let's look. This green and red, that's correct. Orange and blue, not orange and blue. Orange and green, not orange and green. Red and blue with blue and red, or same thing. There's two corners on their correct spot. That is not what we want. We want only one corner on its correct spot. So we're going to turn the top. Green, red, not green, red. Blue, orange, not blue, orange. Green, orange, so that's correct. And red and blue, not red and blue. So we already found one corner that's on its correct spot, only the one. So then we're going to do this with this correct corner on this spot. So once we've done that, we have this. Once you've done that once, you might not have all the corners on its correct spot. So you just need to do it again. Until all the corners are on its correct spot. Next, we're going to finish it off. So we're going to flip this cube over. Then we're going to almost do the same thing like we did to put the white corner on its correct spot. With this unsolved, or like not the, so we're trying to put the yellow face on the bottom. So we're going to do this. Till the yellow corner is facing down. Now, if the yellow corner is facing down and this is all mixed up, it's okay. Next, we're going to turn the bottom until we have another not good piece. Then we're going to do that. And we just need to flip that. And then we completed the 2x2. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.